Yeah, good day all. This week DXY technical analysis. This is 4 hour time frame. I can go for 4 hour time frame. Yeah, this is the giving Fibonacci from year to year is coming exactly this zone. Okay, if we give any correction, small correction like this, it will come down one more time, it will go up. Yeah, so you can look for any sale setup DXY once reach this area, this zone. Look for buy setup, any buy setup. Okay, thank you. Yeah, EURUSD technical analysis this week. This is 4 hour time frame. You can remove this one. Yeah, last week what we discussed even well after this correction it went up. So any small correction here, any small correction from here, it will go up, will come back. Once you reach this area, maybe it will go maybe up to here, this zone, this area. You can look for sell. If it is giving maybe the correction, maybe it will give. It will deep and it will go up and come back. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this week GBPUSD technical analysis is 4 hour time frame. Can take some trend here from here. Exactly, trend is following trend line. Okay. Yeah, last week what we analyzed it went well. Okay, then if I any correction here little bit, it will go up. If we take Fibonacci from here to here, yeah, it will reach there. From here, maybe if we get any sell setup from here, it will go. Once broke this one, if we give any correction, this is the better sale actually from here. Okay, initially if we give any correction this week, it will go up. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this week AUD/USD technical analysis. Yeah, so now from if you take from year to year Fibonacci is coming reaching this zone. Okay, you can remove this one. Yeah, it's trend continuation. Last week also we have to analyze it went well, excellent. This week also if I take one Fibonacci from year to year, okay, yeah, if we give any correction here, maybe it will give 50% or 6 right, it will go up. Once reach this zone, maybe it will give bigger correction or impulsively. Okay, initially once you correcting like this here, you can look for the buy setup. Okay, but be careful, no setup, no trade. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this week NZD technical analysis. Okay, this is 4 hour time frame. You can take this Fibonacci here. Yeah, last week also exactly is trend following. Exactly is coming this trend, following trend came here. This week also if we give any correction here, it will go up. Okay, any correction, look for buy setup. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this week USD JPY technical analysis is a 4 hour time frame. You can go for 1 hour. You can see. Yeah, this week if we give any correction here, maybe it will come here, it will broke this one, or maybe it will around little bit down, then it will go up. Look for buy setup. Anything is buy setup is better. USD JPY. Okay, right, thank you. Yeah, this week USD CHF technical analysis. This is 4 hour time frame. I can go for 1 hour. You can see clearly after this impulsive is correcting, like it's correcting. If we give any small correction like this, it will go one more up, then it will fall. It will fall here. Otherwise, it will give little bit correction here. It will fall and it will go up. Any buy setup below this one is good actually. Suppose if I take if I go 4 hour, if I take Fibonacci from year to year, you can see exactly came in the zone, this zone, fair value gap here. This fair value gap. This came here, but one more time it will come down. Give you a small correction, come down and will go up. Up is better. It will come around this area. Okay. After this, taking this liquidity here, then look for the buy setup. If you went up little bit up, then you can sell also here from year to year. Then after reaching this one, after broke this one, then you can look for the buy setup. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this week USD CAD technical analysis. This is 4-hour time frame. Oh, can remove this one. Suppose if I take Fibonacci from year to year, suppose it's coming exactly 0.71%, 71%. So it will give any bigger correction or anything impulsively it will move. Yeah, this is the buy setup is better. Any buy setup is good for this week. USD CAD. Any buy setup here. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this week gold technical analysis. This is 4-hour. Okay. Oh, sorry. For gold, okay, can go for 1 hour. Yeah. Any correction, small correction, any from year to year, if we take Fibonacci from year to year, maybe expecting any correction here. Any 3-year correction from here, once reach the 4,700 something, then it will come. Once this is a big correction, maybe not impulsively, maybe big correction. After correction, it will go up. But this is good for the buy setup this week. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this week USOIL technical analysis. USOIL. Okay, last week what we analyzed went well exactly, but now this week we are expecting some more up. I can clear this one. I can clear this everything. Okay, yeah. So if I take Fibonacci from year to year, okay, yeah, it will went little bit up some more. Maybe it will go there and it will come down. It will come this zone or this zone. Maybe based on that, fundamental things, it will come here. Maybe it will from there. Maybe you can look for buy. But initially, if you little bit go down up, then it will come down. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this week US 30 technical analysis. So yes, what we analyzed last week actually started exactly came to the zone, started to buy setup. So I can clear this one. I can clear this one. Everything okay. Yeah, started it's a bull run slowly, but we'll give small correction again, little bit correction. Sorry. Okay. Maybe it will give any correction, 3-wave correction. It will go up. 55K is the next target we're expecting. Okay, this is our analysis. It will give any small correction. Suppose if you take Fibonacci also here exactly came to the zone. The zone, see, exactly 618, and maybe it will give a little bit down also, but it will go up. Maybe it will you can fill this gap. You can fill this gap. See here, this gap. This gap. It will fill this gap and it will go up. Okay. Any buy setup is better. US 30. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. This week BTC technical analysis. See this one how it went up this week because of the US so buyback policy and all this one. See, we expected to come here and will after this it will drop here. It will go to 55. I'm expecting this one to come here, but it never came here. It went up directly. Okay. Anyway, congrats who took this one. Okay, I can clear everything now. Yeah. If we give any correction here, any correction from here, it will go up. Once reach this one, after breaking this one, if we give any big correction here, then this is the right good bull run here. Good bull run from here. Initially, if you give any correction here, then it will go up. After breaking this zone, if you give any correction, big correction, then this is the better buy actually. But this also buy you can buy here. Okay. Any buy setup is better for BTC this week. Thank you.